All right, we're going to do the wipers in this 2018 Kia Optima. I've gone ahead and turned the car on, turned it off. Let's see if this works. Oops. So we're going to cycle it into the on position. And then we'll press and hold for 3 seconds. See, that works great. Turn it off. And then we'll try this again. 2 and 3. There we go. Look at that, service position. Woo! Now we're happy. So yeah, you just turn it on, make sure it wakes up, turn it off, and then before you open the door or whatever, just push up on this for 3 seconds. You're gonna get into the service position here. So what I always like to recommend to people when they're doing wiper blades, I recommend buying the factory blades, because at least you're getting the thing that was designed to fit your car specifically. I did not do that. I was at Costco and I knew I needed wipers, so I got these Michelins. So I'm going to open the package here. It's a two-handed job, and then I'll check back in. So as you can see, I just there's this little tab here. You just get your fingernail in there and kind of pull up. That pretty much releases it. Hopefully you can see it. So you can see, like, it's seen better days. And then you just kind of work it right on out of there. And I guess next I just have to see if this is going to actually fit, or if I need to put some sort of an adapter arm on it. Looks like it might actually go on there. It's kind of hard to do one-handed, but let's see. Let's see if I can do it. Probably not. I'm also right-handed, and holding the camera with my right hand is not the easiest. So I'm going to fiddle with this, then I'll let you know. All right, so happy to report I got the passenger side done here, no problems. And I'll do the driver's side. Again, you kind of just have to, I'll just have to put that back on there. Again, with two hands, pretty easy. With one hand, a little challenging, I gotta be honest. But this is what I do for my subscribers, see? Which reminds me, have you hit that subscribe button yet? I'd sure appreciate it. Even if you don't watch another video of mine, just subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. And it would help me buy more wiper blades eventually. And there we go. I think I got it in. There. So you want to kind of get the little hook on there and then push up. And then this little guy just kind of locks it down. Perfect. Couple of new wiper blades. Looking pretty good. So the next important thing is to test them out to see how they work. You're welcome for the good camera work. Good camera, good audio. I'm killing it today. All right. Car's on. Oh yeah, look at that. Like a glove. I think I'm gonna, oh good. This guy's pulling out. Because I want to test the washers, and I don't want to spray his car. Even if his car isn't clean, I don't want to make it dirtier. Here we go. Here we go. Let's give it a test. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, look at that. That's not bad for $10 each. That looks, or whatever I paid. It was like 10 or 12 bucks per side, and I have to say that's perfect. No streaks, pretty much. A couple there. That's fine. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm gonna call it a win. I'm gonna chuck these. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, really appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button and tune in for more how-tos, car reviews, shorts, vlogs, all kinds of stuff. We like to have fun on this channel, and I try to bring a variety of different content to you. So please come check us out, and I will see you in the next one. Take care.